Okay, we continue in the material and standard material. Double click on that, and in a texture that we have in all channel here, we have a common same common tools. I want to explain fusion. If you assign the fusion to the texture, the fusion is to mixing two channel together and using mask. This is our base channel. You can use all of these channel shaders again, or you can load image. For example, I load this image here. This image that you can see it, come back. If you click on that, you can go to the settings that I explained it before. This is base channel with settings. Then we need the blend channel. These tools blend these two channels with the blending mode and the mask. For example, I choose another image to blend channel. Clicking here, load. Okay, I'll load another image. As you can see in a Photoshop, we have two layers. A layer that's above, layer that's the below. Because the blending mode is a normal, just we can see this image. Very simple. You can use the blending mode here. If you right click here to open a bigger window, you can see that we are blending image something like this together. That's it. Or instead of that, bring it to the normal, or you can define the strength of this blending from here. 0, it means you can see the image of below. If you 100%, it's missing together. If you go to the normal, you can do it. You can do a lots of blending mode like this. So this tool is just for blending together. Or instead of the blending channel, to better understanding, you can use a gradient, black and white color, something like this. I want to use a mask, use this black and white image as a mask. You can simply use mask. Okay? You can use a mask or invert the mask that you want. Use a mask. And sorry, I think I make it wrong. Ctrl Z to bring back this image again. This is a blend channel. I have to check take the use the mask, and in the mask channel it will turn on, and we instead of the blending mode, we blending this channel to this channel with the mask, black and white. Sorry for that. Again, I use gradient again. Now you can see what happened. The white area means you can see the blend channel. In a black area, you can see the base channel, and in between them, this is gray. You can mixing them. You can invert the mask in this way. So everything is all about black and white. You can use instead of that simple noise. Go into the noise and select something like this. Interesting. Or something like this. In a black area or white area, you can see other images. For example, this for noise. For doing that, you increase the number of the contrast to better seeing that. So, or you can make global scale higher. Now you can see in a white area, we can see the base color, and in the black area, you can come back, you can see the blend channel. So that's it. You can use all of other, just use black and white, okay? Just use black and white. You can use gradient. You can go to the gradient and change it to circular, for example. Now you can see it's better. Or you can if you don't want this transition or fall off, you can, for example, select it there and make it a step. Bring it there. Now you can mask image like this. Come back. What happened here? We have a blend channel, base channel. In a black area, you can see the blend. In a white area, you can see the base image. Okay, this is just a simple fusion. Don't forget to navigate with the material editor with this.